We're closing in at the highest point of the day right now. The Nifty Bank as well holding out pretty well. You've got the Nifty futures closing into that 10,580 level. Would check in definitely on what the rupee as well as the yields are up to. Not that there is going to be any material difference really of the fact that the government, perhaps this is just source space, is going to tap into the RBI, ask for a higher dividend in order to match up to their fisc. So closing in with a good 0.5% gain. It's a comfortable close above the 10,550 mark. Good traction from the broader markets and a good breath as well at your hands. The stars today then. Yes Bank goes home with a 5% gain. Bajaj Finance, IndusInd Bank ahead of its numbers just next week holds out well. You've got a good rebound coming in for the pharma space too. So Lupin, DRL are all names which have gone home firm. TCS as well. Remember, TCS and Infi report their numbers just next week. So TCS also closes in with a handsome gain of in over 1%. Steel, or rather metals as a sector, you could crib about that. Some of those stocks have come off from the top of the day, but it's been a heady run that these stocks have had just this week itself and last 3 months too. But though Tata Steel continues to be a winner. Idea, after that fundraising plan, 10.5% rally there. IDFC Bank, 7% higher. Just Dial, almost a 7% move. Equitas, a 7.6% dash. And United Spirits, UBL, Radico Khaitan, all of these names have held out just so smartly. Look at GM Breweries, that also came out with its earnings, wherein the net sales have shot up 21%, EBITDA higher 113%, although on a very small base, net profit has surged to a 22 crore rupees, and I guess that excitement is also rubbing off on some of these liquor companies. They held out quite smartly. So that the losers?
Well, not many, but then if you look at, we were talking in morning about some of the OMCs, those stocks have not done well, and also PSU banks, and especially mid-cap PSU banks, so Syndicate Bank, Union Bank, then not really mid-cap, but even Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, Andhra Bank. These are some of the losers apart from Hindustan Petroleum, which I mentioned. Fortis has come into FNO ban, so that stock has been a bit soft. Otherwise, most of the positions in that stock is on the long side. High flyers like Jindal Steel, that stock was soft. Hindalco has been doing well. Hindustan Zinc has been doing well. These stocks have taken a breather today. You cannot, read too much into this 1% softness after a substantial rally, which these stocks have given. Infratel is one stock which have been, quite volatile. We did see, last week and some part of this week that stock did show decent upside traction. People thought that probably bottom is in place, but last 3 trading session, including today's, stock has been correcting. Some of the IT names like Wipro has also been soft. Pharma has been mixed. We were talking about Lupin and other stocks which our experts were recommending. Those stocks gained, but stock like Cipla was down. And important stock from recent news is MCX. That stock has been soft after one day up move, clearly suggesting that this support zone, which is around 900, 920, might get challenged.